Good evening, guys. If everything is okay, one in the chat box. Okay, done. So we'll start in 2 more minutes. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let me start now. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Everything is fine at my end. Hope everything is good at your end as well. Sorry for sudden changes in the plan last 2 days. I hope everything is fine. Done. So, guys, today's agenda will be continuing with POD. And one more important update is that one of our batchmates already got a sale on POD that's already uploaded in the Facebook group, I guess. I guess each and every of you saw the Facebook group. Uh, she already got a sale of $39.99, and she's busy right now in shipping that particular product to the customer. Okay, so the designs are working fine right now. People are getting sales. I guess you should also start working on POD. Yeah. So start working, guys. Start working. So people are getting sales. Please tell us about the cart and the vendor. I'm going to tell you that someone from this batch. Yes, from your batch itself. We started getting, yeah. Okay. So the discussion point today will be we are not going to discuss, or we are not going to do any business with Chinese vendors as of now. We are going to do business. Okay. We are going to do business with US vendors who are going to print our t-shirt and ship our t-shirt to the customer. So we are going to use two apps, guys. The first app I'm going to train you today is something called as POD. I'm typing in the chat box there itself, POD by Fuel. This is the app that we are going to check, and after that we are going to work on something called as Printify. Okay. Printify is the other app, or else you can use Printful as well. Okay. Now what exactly happens is, why are we not going with Chinese vendors? Chinese vendors is they charge for each and every t-shirt, they charge around $8 to $9 with shipping. Okay, $8 to $9 with shipping, and the delivery time will be around 10 to 12 days of time. Okay, but if you are going to work with a platform, an app called as POD by Fuel, right? The delivery time is around 3 to 5 days of time maximum. Okay, 3 to 5 days of the time maximum, and the print quality is very good. And the minimum t-shirt, price starts from $3. Plus, you are going to pay $4 for shipping. If it is in US, $4 for shipping and $3 per t-shirt. That's for printing. printing and the cloth and printing are going to pay $3 and $4 for shipping. So we are going to work with a US vendor right now. It's an app, guys, which is called as POD by Fuel. I'm going to share all the details right now with you. Okay, is it clear till here, guys? Let me know in the chat box. Is it clear? We are going to work with POD by Fuel right now. Outside US also, they do outside US as well, no issues. But shipping charges inside US is $4, outside US is $6. Outside US it's $6. Okay. Inside US it's only $4. So you'll be paying at max $7 to the vendor. Okay. And the shipping time is around 3 to 5 days of time maximum. Sometimes it goes in 2 days as well. That depends upon the the design that you're giving them, the bulk number of orders. If you're getting good number of orders, maybe they'll start working very soon and they'll ship it in 3 days maximum, something like that. So that being said, let me share my screen right now. Let us work on this particular platform called as POD by Fuel. If you can see this is the app that I'm going to discuss today, guys. Fuel, that is called as print on demand. Let me go to Google right now. Okay, sorry. Google.com. Okay, here let me type in POD by Fuel. If you can see this, to see this. This is a website. This is a website. Okay, use POD app for all Shopify power sellers. Okay, lowest price guaranteed, fastest shipping, top brand names, workflow automation, quality guarantee, made for Shopify. It is basically made for Shopify. And if you wanted to download, okay, let's check the product and pricing right now. Okay, let's check the product and pricing. Okay, this particular t-shirt is starting from $5.50, $8, $10. If you can see this hoodie, okay, it's not a hoodie, yeah, almost a hoodie. $15 is what they charge for each and every t-shirt. Usually you can sell it for around $34 to $39. Okay, just click on this. You'll get all the details, the quality of the t-shirt, everything here itself. Just check these options. If you're okay with this, just go ahead and So if you can see here, the intro price is $3 and the standard price is $5.50. This is because if you are starting the POD, Fuel POD right today, right, for the next 30 days, you are going to get a t-shirt for only $3. After 30 days, after 1 month trial, the t-shirt price is going to increase by $2.50. Or after you get first 50 orders there, right? After in a month, for example, in a month you're getting first 50 orders. After 50 orders, the price is going to go up, or after 30 days, the price is going to go up. So any of these two should be matched. Or first point is in 30 days, if you're not getting order, POD is not at, or Fuel is not at all concerned with about that. It is going to increase the t-shirt price by $2.50 on the upper side. Or else you should get 50 orders at least. As soon as you get 50 orders at least, 51st order will be $5.50, not $3. So here's the intro price, here's the standard price. Okay, so here maximum print area, you get the pixel here. If you wanted to see the chart, okay, the size chart, just click on this and you can copy this size chart and put it on your website. Okay, you can copy this size chart and put it on your website. Okay, and see this. For V-neck t-shirts, if you wanted to go, youth t-shirts, if you wanted to go, so sweat t-shirt, hats, they also do hats, they also do mugs, phone cases. For iPhone 11 Pro, $6 or something like that. So each and every thing are available with these particular people called as POD by Fuel. Okay, POD by Fuel, and these are the things. If you wanted to get help, you have got a help center. You've got FAQs as well. If you have FAQs, if you have any questions here, you can just type in. For example, you have a question on shipping, for example. Just go ahead and type in shipping. Just click on enter. See what countries do you ship to? For example, Harshit asked me this question. Okay, now let me click on this. See, they ship to all these countries. We ship to all countries except these countries. They ship to all the countries. Okay, They ship to all the countries. Okay. Let's go back. See, what are your shipping rates? Just click on that. See, shirts, long sleeves, tees, tanks, beanies, totes, that is bags, phone case. Within USA, $4. Second item within USA, if you're selling one more item as an upsell, $1 extra. First item outside USA, $6. Second item outside USA, $3. So hat marks has got different price. If you can see this, you get all this data. If you order 2 sweat t-shirts, right, you pay $6 into one plus $2. That is $8. Okay, so he's giving you a discount on good number of orders as well. So based upon that, you can check that. If you have any more questions, just go ahead. You have a help center here. You have a direct chat option here. Go chat to them to get all your questions solved. Okay. So that's how POD works, guys. Let me show you an example right now. So you got a help center here as well. Just go ahead and ask your questions there. They'll definitely answer you. So now how do we install that? Okay, let me delete this here. Let me delete this and install it for you again. Okay, now see this. How do you install it? Just scroll up and after you log in, just go to apps. Okay, after that, just click on Shopify, visit Shopify App Center. Yeah, they retail it too, no issues. They retail it too. Okay, let me log in. Okay, now check this out. Just type in POD by FUEL. I tried this app, but it didn't allow me to create a manual order. It was asking me to generate Shopify product listing through that particular app first. Yeah, I understand that. Just scroll down, just click on this, add the app. Now it will ask you some permissions. After that, you can install it directly. Okay, just click on install app. The app is installed. Oh, what's happening? Internal error. Oh, let me. Install the app. You can also install through the website as well. Let me check if I'm able to install. Okay, add the app. Some problem with POD, fuel POD. I don't know what. Let me check once again. Yeah, see this, guys. See this. As soon as you install, is this an Indian app? No, it's not an Indian app. As soon as you install, now understand this very clearly, guys. Action needed. Set up a payment method. Okay, now what happens is, see this. Now what happens is if we go to settings, if you go to settings here, let me clear all this. You can add your PayPal account here. If you can add a credit card details, I'll tell you why to add credit card details and all. Just go to settings here. Okay, it's not allowing me to go to settings. Okay, now see this. I want you guys to understand this. Automatically process the order. Okay, this means that as soon as if you get the order right, as soon as you get the order right, if you are adding your credit card details or PayPal details here, okay, the amount that is $7 will get deducted from your credit card or through PayPal, and the order will be processed automatically. And that is, these guys will process the order, they'll print the t-shirt and they'll ship the t-shirt. Or as if you wanted to do it manually, just say no here, just so no here. So now what happens is, after you get an order, you insist saying that Friel, go ahead, take my amount, take $7. Okay, take $7 and now print the t-shirt and ship the t-shirt. That's completely your choice right now. So whatever you wanted to go with, you can go with yes or no. If you wanted to, as soon as the order comes, Friel will take $7 from you and they process the order, they'll ship it to the customer. Or if you want to do it manually, just say no here, just say no here. You can say by default, we'll automatically send your orders to production every 2 hours. If you select no to pause this process and manually send orders to the production from your orders page in the Friel app. So you can do it manually as well. So it's up to you. If you want to do it manually, or if you wanted to do it automatically, you can do it automatically. Orders that are not processed within 45 days after they are received will be marked as cancelled. So here we'll get all the details. Just put your payment details here. Okay, and you can see all the orders here itself. If you can see all the orders here itself. If you wanted to upload all the designs, you can put all the designs here. Okay, now let me take some questions for you. Okay, suggest which one is better. What do you recommend? Go for automatic, because for every 2 hours, they'll refresh and send the orders to the production team. So no need to wait, right? Just put your PayPal accounts there, or you can put your credit card there. Everything is automated in process. Let me know if you have any questions still here, guys. If you don't have any questions, I'll go ahead and designing a product for you. Okay, I got some questions. If my debit card is not international but working with PayPal, so can I use PayPal anywhere? Yes, you can use PayPal anywhere. And make sure that your card is an international card, guys. A debit card and credit card. Make sure that that's a international credit card or debit card. Go with Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank are doing good. ICICI. These three is what I suggest you. You were talking about the custom CAT before. Custom CAT is also there. Custom CAT is for nowadays. Custom CAT we use for mask. Okay, you can also use custom CAT. I don't have any issues. You can also use custom CATs. How to give designs to them? I'm going to tell you that. Just wait. I'm going to tell you that. What will the custom shipping label? What will the custom shipping label? They'll put a brand of your own. For example, Sagar Lone. I guess your brand name is Coder Shop or something like that. Okay, they'll put your brand name. That's a private label. They'll charge you more for that. Okay, yeah, Coder Shots. I got you. Thank you. Okay, any more questions for me, guys? And Sagar, your website is wonderful. I loved it. Just you need to work on the description part and the homepage design, as we discussed earlier. Yeah, I loved your website. I love the designs as well. Yeah. Any more questions? Who will send the invoice? You are going to send the invoice from your Shopify store. Directly, the invoice is going to the customer. Okay, Manish has a question here. Last session you gave us many designs, but I was confused. Whatever you asked us to use the designs directly from our store, or should we get the designs remade with Fever guys and then to use? Whatever designs I gave you, you do not need to invest again on those designs. First point. Okay, you need to go to Fever guys. Okay, whenever you are getting a new design, the designs I gave it to you already are graphically designed already. Okay, no need to send to Fever guys and get it rerun or remake the design again. No need to do that. Just go ahead. Whatever designs I gave you, those are working right now. People are getting sales. The only thing is you need to concentrate on the description and make some nice decoration on your website. That works. Please unmute me. I have a question. Okay, just give me a second. We'll do that for you. Okay. Yeah, Madhav, please go ahead. Madhav, can you hear me? Please ask your question.
हेलो
Yeah, Madhav, please go ahead. Ask your question.
हाँ मैं ऐसा ही पूछ रहा था कि टिपिकली तो ये होता है ना कि व्हेन वी गेट एन ऑर्डर वी गेट द पेमेंट फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट
Yes.
एंड आउट ऑफ दैट पेमेंट वी पास द पेमेंट टू द वेंडर
Yes.
ठीक है उसी पेमेंट में से अपना मार्जिन रखते हुए
Yes.
फ्रॉम दैट पेमेंट द वेंडर प्रिंट और ड्रॉप शिप द प्रोडक्ट टू द क्लाइंट
Yes.
राइट इट
Yes.
गोज लाइक दिस तो
Yes.
अभी आप जैसे बता राइट नाउ यू आर टेलिंग कि यू शुड हैव द क्रेडिट कार्ड विद यू एंड इट शुड बी ऑटोमेटिक पेमेंट विल बी कट फ्रॉम द योर क्रेडिट कार्ड तो वो उसकी पेमेंट का वेट नहीं करेंगे क्या हम लोग क्लाइंट की पेमेंट का
Obviously, the payment is already in your PayPal account or else on your bank account, right? If it is there in your PayPal account, that itself means that it's there in your bank accounts. So maybe you can.
तो जो पेमेंट जो वेंडर को पेमेंट देनी है वो पेपाल से नहीं लेगा क्या पेमेंट वो
लेगा कहीं को नहीं लेगा. You have two options, right? See, you have PayPal connection and you also have this connection. I'm going to show you once again. See. Okay, so add a payment method. See, he's asking with PayPal or else credit card. Anyways, that's your go. Got a point? Anyways, customer is going to pay to PayPal through PayPal to you, right?
Okay.
Okay, and you're going to pay a fuel by PayPal itself. Or else, if you wanted to use a credit card, you can use a credit card here. That's your wish. Yeah.
ठीक है और सर दूसरा क्वेश्चन था कि जैसे इस केस में अभी वेंडर यूएस का है और क्लाइंट भी यूएस का है तो कोई अगर रिफंड इशू आता है तो वो रिफंड हम प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं उसको.
हाँ 100% कर सकते हो आप.
इट विल गो टू द वेंडर राइट.
वेंडर डायरेक्टली. यस.
तो वो हमें क्या पैसे वापस करेगा या नहीं करेगा वो पैसे
काई को नहीं करेगा भाई. करेगा. Yeah, you'll get it, don't worry. Okay.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Any more questions, guys? Let me know. If you have any more questions, let me know. Okay, yeah, please go ahead. Debayan.
Hi, good evening, Shashank.
Yeah,
good evening, Shashank.
Yeah,
I just had to ask you one thing, whether the design which you sent, and there is a numerous amount of people in your batch, right? So the design which you're sending, what if I use the same design and somebody else uses the same design? We are actually having a rift in the competition altogether. So do we have to check into Fiverr and get a new design altogether for this? Or
Not
to,
required.
just go and make a partnership?
I got your point. I got your point. Not required. The design which I sent you, right? Those are working right now. Okay. Knowingly, for example, we have a batch of 20 people right now, for example. Knowingly, you have only 20 competition. Unknowingly, you have a number of competition already there.
Okay.
Okay. Unknowingly, you do not know who are the other POD people who are actually working on this particular same design. You never know. It's all about marketing to a particular country, marketing a particular place, targeting genders. It all depends. Now that's completely leave it to Facebook right now. Okay. Now whatever designs.
Sir, I would like to ask you one more question.
Yeah.
The question is that I am already into manufacturing. Like I'm actually knowing my own brand, and I want to create that. And how do I actually put it in POD or drop shipping scheme? Will that be possible? Like my brand name is WeLiving. Like.
Okay, you already have a brand name, and you wanted to go with a particular brand name, right?
Right.
So can you print the T-shirt and can you ship the T-shirt?
I cannot ship it, to be very honest.
Then
I can print it.
You can print it, but you need a shipping carrier for that, right?
Right.
Then you can go with DHL e-commerce. I'll show you that.
Okay. Perfect, sir. Perfect.
No. DHL e-commerce will help you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah. you. So let me take some more questions. Okay, what to do with the domain name? Just wait, I'm going to tell you what to do with the domain name. Thank you so much. That was a help. Okay, I was app you my store. WhatsApp you my store for the okay. Kindly review that. I'll do that for mockups. I have to buy place it. I know it's not a beginner question. Yeah, you can go with place it. That's not an issue. You can go with the place it. And people who do not know what is place it, I'm going to show you. Okay, you get some nice models, right? Say this. You can also use this, but I don't suggest you right now. Okay, you got a nice models, and I guess they charge you around $14. I guess I'm not sure about that. You can also do that. How to generate invoice? Okay, I'm going to answer you that. Just wait, just wait. How to generate invoice? I'm going to answer that. Yeah, $15 per month. Yeah. You know, you can use this, guys. For example, you wanted to go with mockups. You have a t-shirt option here. You get a nice models there. So on that particular models, you can put your t-shirt design, and it looks good. See this. See this. So if you wanted to have something like this, you can use placeit.net. But as a beginner, I don't suggest you to go right now with this. After you get comfortably good number of sales, then you can go with placeit.net. Okay, this is $15, and I got one more question regarding invoice, and here is the answer. What you need to do, just go to settings here, just go to general. You get an invoice option here. So automatically your order ID invoice will be sent to the customer from Shopify store itself. For example, your store name is, my store name is Okapi Central. So my invoice will go in the name of OC 0029. So that's the order ID that I give it to the customer. An invoice will be sent on this particular order ID as soon as we get the sale. So do not worry about the invoicing process. It's already there. No COD for orders? No, we do not have any COD. It's all the orders are prepaid orders. I've installed the Fuel app just now. Please brief us about what to do next. Just wait, Manish. I have to explain you that. I'm going to do that. In refund situation, vendor can reverse the payment to us or the customer. And more or less, if the vendor reverse the payment, the vendor, so he can deduct the amount or reverse the full payment. He will reverse the full payment, right? He will reverse the full payment. We have a refund policy as well. 7 to 15 days of time refund policy is also there with us. So he will definitely reverse the payment to you. No issues about that. Okay. Hope I answered all the questions. What about taxes issues? Please talk to your CA regarding this. We'll have to pay the taxes. We'll have to pay the taxes, and can you explain? Can you please generate one invoice? As soon as the order comes, Nancy, as soon as the order comes, invoice will be sent to the customer. There's no need of, do not put headaches on this, guys. Let me tell you one important point, okay? Do not have headaches on this. Invoice will be sent by Shopify as soon as you get the order, okay? Do not worry about that. I hope I answered this question. Okay, now that being said, so make sure that it should be in dollars, imperial system, and time zone is of your choice. Okay, so that's it. So that being said, let me go to apps right now. Let me show you how this particular POD app works. Okay. Now let me click on this, guys. I already installed. Let me click on this right now. Close all this. Yeah. Okay, logging in. Login. Okay, now see this. Your order stats in production, shipped, and you got errors. So all this data, all this particular dashboard will be with you. Okay. Now just click on create products. Create products, because I'm already using Fuel app since many months. He's now giving me the rate of $5.50. If you're starting it right now, it will give for $3.50 only. $3.50 only. Okay, the most popular one, you have got 62 colors right now. It's only $5.50 less. Just click on this. Just click on this. It's loading very late. Let it load. Give me some time. Okay. Now after that, onto the top, you have something called as create mockup. Continue to mockup creation. Just click on that. Now scroll down, and all this can be edited here, guys. And make sure that the number of variants that you use should be less than 100. Okay, it should not go beyond 100. It should be less than 100. I'm going to tell you what exactly I mean. Okay, just wait. Just click on colors. What colors you wanted to go with? Definitely black should be there. If you love to go with this color, this, take a blue option also. That also works better. For example, and what sizes you wanted to sell. My this thing do not go more than 2XL because Fuel app does not have stock for 3XL, 4XL, and 5XL. Just go till 2XL. And you're getting the t-shirt for $5.50 here, guys. And you're selling it for $16.50. If you wanted to increase the price here, right, you can right away increase the price here. For example, you wanted to increase it to around $17.50. Just go ahead and increase the price to $17.50. Okay. So your profit margin also is here. Okay, let me type in 17 here again. If you do not want to change it here, you can change it later as well on your Shopify store directly. Okay. Now, if you can see this, guys, sorry, if you can see this, let me control that. Okay. If you can control Z. Okay. Now see this. Till XL, it is $17.50. As soon as you come to 2XL, right, it is showing $22.50. Now, what we are going to do is till M, S and M and L maintain the same price. Okay. XL increase it to 19. Okay. XL increase it to 19, and this 2XL increase it to 20 or $21.50. That's a good, pricing strategy because there are more number of orders. I'm telling you with my experience, there are more number of orders you'll get it from XL and 2XL only. From XL and 2XL, you get good number of orders. So make sure that you slight increase in the price there. So the profit margin also gets increased here. Okay. So just go ahead and say done. So I got it here. Okay. Now let me add the design here. Okay. Now let me add the design. Just click on this. Now, okay. Let me go to desktop. Go to 500. I got good number of designs already. For example, okay, legend, mark, mixed, pet, soccer mom, super. Okay, let me take uniform. Okay, so yeah, let me take this. It will take some time to upload. And guys, do not worry, guys. Sorry, do not worry about the classes and all. Okay, I'm going to complete your class. Do not worry about that. And sorry for the disturbance from since 2 days. Okay, hope you don't mind. And until or unless you get a sale, don't leave me. I'll also not leave you. Okay. You can attend n number of classes of mine, n number of batches of mine. That's not an issue at all. But don't get discouraged or demotivated. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Print quality is here. Okay, it's not looking good on a black t-shirt. For example, let me add one more color. Okay, edit. Let me add white. Let me add white here. Just say done. Let me check if it's working good with white. Okay. Yeah, it's looking good on white. Okay, let me check it on this particular color. this color, this color. Okay, for example, this is your product. Okay, for example, this is your product. I'm just taking an example. You already got 35 variants here. Okay, for the first variant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you got like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 7, already 35 variants, right? If you wanted to add more products, right? If you wanted to add more products, right? For example, you're having a t-shirt here. Okay, let me click on this particular thing. And if you wanted to add maybe a hoodie, for example, on the same you wanted to have a hoodie. Let me scroll down. Where is hoodie? Yeah, here you see. So take a nice hoodie, $15 hoodie, for example. Just click on this, and after that, what do you do? Okay, just click on continue to mockup creation. Now see this. So again, select colors, whatever colors you wanted to select, you wanted to select on hoodie. I'm just normally taking that, guys. Don't be that serious on this particular colors. And you already got a pricing part here. Make it to 3XL, that's okay. But I'm not sure that before you put 3XL, contact Fuel saying that I wanted to sell 3XL t-shirt, you have a stock or not, okay? I don't think they have got stock right now, but okay, let's put 3XL as well. And you got the pricing details already here. If you are okay with these pricing details, then go ahead and just say done. Okay, and put the design here. Whatever design we had, let me put this design. Okay. Let it load. It seems we will replace the Canva.com task. Exactly, yes. In Canva.com, what we used to do, we used to upload the design, put it on a t-shirt, download the design, and again put it on our stores, right? So Fuel, it's almost everything is automated. Just you need to select the color, select the size, and then go ahead with that. Okay, now see this, guys. You have got two options here, guys. See this. Again, 30 variants, 35 variants. Okay, and you've got two options here. Split the products into multiple Shopify products. No, I wanted to go with group. Okay, and the title. Are you a unicorn? Okay, for example, something like this. If you wanted to write in description, you can write in description here. Okay, you wanted to go with model or with model or without model, just put in that. With model, and total number of variants are 65 here. Scroll down. Okay. Now, okay, you got option called publish to the store. Just click on publish to the store. Now you'll be able to see all the designs onto your store. Again, just give it a second. Can we get model t-shirt from Fuel so that we can add content before itself instead of Canva? I didn't get your question, Ganesh. Just go ahead and ask me the question again. Yeah, I'll let you know that. Just wait. Let me do this task and I'll let you know that. Okay, 88%. Whatever 3XL and above sizes, they are available, but maybe as of now, there is no stock with these people. Just chat with these people and get it done. Can Fuel show the stock availability? Yeah. Getting downloaded from Google black t-shirt is not exactly same as Fuel brand. No, these are completely different. That was just a practice. Now actually you need to work on these particular t-shirts only right now. Now see this, guys. The products are uploaded. Just click on show it in the store. See this, I got it. Are you a unicorn? I'm selling it for 17 point. Okay. See this. It's a group of t-shirt, right? So product are here. Okay. See, nicely arranged. Everything is nicely arranged. Sunset. Okay, you got all the designs here. Okay. And the quantity, how much you want, and after that you got buy it now option. Okay, just don't go with this, guys. This is just a template. I'm going to showcase you that. So everything is here, guys. Simple, very simple. Yeah. Okay, so sold out. Okay, this is not available, guys. This is not available. Okay. This color is also not available to feel out of stock. I guess they have got sunset. They got a black one. They got a orange one. Okay. This one is also there. Okay, royal blue. They got royal blue. They got white. They got white as well. They got a burnt orange. No, the burnt orange and the Texas orange. These two are not available to feel right now. Okay, let me go to this hoodie. They got a black. Yeah, black is available. Okay, orange is not available with them. Sunset is not available. Okay, these are the stock issues that we got from FIEL, guys. Blue is available. White. Yeah, white is also available. Burnt orange is also available. Texas orange is also available. Okay. So that's how it actually works out. So I guess you guys understood. Okay, let me put 3XL. Yeah, 3XL is also available, guys. Okay, we can go with 3XL, guys. Maybe you can try a 4XL as well, no issues. L, S, M, L, XL, 2XL, 3XL. Yeah, this is how it actually works. So how many of you are loving this FIEL, guys? Let me know in the chat box how many of you are loving this FIEL. Can I have both FIEL and custom CAD integration simultaneously? Yes, you can have it, no issues. Box a shortcut. Please show the steps how to share the timer. I'm using an app for that. That's a paid tool. Okay. No. The sales timer is not added, guys. That's this thing. I'm going to show this particular, my app later when we start drop shipping. Loving this? Okay. It normally not take much of amount of your time, energy as well, because normally what we saw is uploading your design to canva.com, downloading from them, and again uploading to products and all. It's an automated process, and the cost is also very less. What is the app name for timer? I use Gem Pages, guys. I use Gem Pages. They give me the timer there in that particular landing page tool itself. Okay. So this is called POD by FIEL, guys. POD by FIEL. Okay. Now I got a question for you. How many designs did I give you? How many designs did I give you? Let me know in the chat box how many designs did I give you? 109. Seriously, I gave 109 designs. Okay. Guys, let me know in the chat box how many designs did I give you? Is it 109? I got one answer, 109. The others, please. 500 designs. You got all the 500 designs. 500. Oh my God. Did I give you all the 500 designs? The folder name is 500, man. Come on. The folder name is 500. So, pakde gaye idhar. Pakde gaye. I didn't give 500 designs. I gave you 109 designs. Okay. But I promised you around 30 or 60 designs, right? Okay. Anyways, it's okay. Guys, now it's high time right now. People are interested in POD. Just use this particular app. Complete your stores by tomorrow. Use this particular app. Complete your stores by tomorrow, and we'll start selling. Would be happy if you share 500 designs. Ah, Manish, okay. So it's 109. Total were 120, somewhat duplicate designs, so it's 109. Okay, okay, okay. No issues. Okay. Okay, guys, let me take one small this thing with you. Okay. People who are completing their store perfectly. Okay, people are completing their store by tomorrow perfectly. Okay. I'm going to give you 100 more designs. I'm going to give you 100 more designs to people who are completing their store perfectly. How many of you are taking this challenge? Let me in the chat box. Complete बोलो तो complete sir, वो गया ये गया, I did not add this, वो क्या है सर, 1 मिनट में ऐड कर देंगे. No, nothing like this. Perfectly means logo has to be there. Okay guys, definition of perfection. Logo has to be there. Menu should be arranged properly with proper colors. Very neat clutter design. Because okay, Sagar, if you give me the permission, shall I show your website to these people? Okay, thank you. I seriously loved this particular thing, guys. Coder shots. See this. I need a website something like this. This is very nice, cool design, cool attire. If you can see this, yeah. Okay. I think you need to change the colors, man. This okay. This is good. Change this color. See this. It's almost no. It's almost saying that we have something to work on it. I understand, but something is happening in the store. Bol ke see. Something is happening in the store. We have something like this. So see this. See these designs. So as soon as I see this,
Sorry sir, screen दिख रही है, screen नहीं दिख रहा sir.
अरे यार बोला था यार. Okay. Sorry. Let me share. So I'm sorry guys. So yeah, this is what it is. So this is Coder Shots by Sagar in our batch. Okay, and just change this color, Sagar. It's not that great. Free shipping plus free returns. It can be onto the top here, somewhere here. Okay, and if I go to the collections here, if I go to fitness, I got all the fitness things here. This is good, right? For example, sweat, sacrifice, success. This body was built, not born. See, this very nice designs, man. I like this. I like these designs. Okay, everything is good. You got a timer as well here. Nice. Train, eat, sleep, repeat. How many of you are liking this site, guys? Come on. How many of you are liking this site? Let me know. How many of you are liking? Very nice, right? Yeah. This is okay. Good, cool, very nice, awesome. Yeah. So you also need to start working like this, guys. What's the theme, Sagar? What's the theme that you're using? Let people know. Now I feel my store design is very bad. Work on it, Manish. Come on, work on it. I don't know the name. I'll check and I'll let you know. Okay, done. And guys, your Facebook group is active. Just go ahead and type your questions there. Okay, let's build something called as community there. I'll also participate there. I'll also answer your questions. I'll also ask you some questions. You can also help me out. How to sync already uploaded designs with Fiel? No, you cannot do that. You need to start again from the starting. You cannot sync all your designs directly to Fiel. There's nothing like manual thing. You need to start again. Delete all, do it once again. That's how we practice, right? Okay. Any more questions? Let me know. Any more questions? Happy birthday, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And who is this? How do you know it's my birthday today, man? Suggest some themes. Okay. You can go with. I'll upload a theme right now, guys. I'll upload a theme. Okay. Maybe I'll give you the theme by today night. Just go ahead and work on that particular theme. I'm going to give you a turbo theme. which I already promised, $350 theme. I'm going to give you that particular theme. Okay, I'm going to give that. Sir, birthday का कुछ special बोले दीजिए. What do you need, man? Come on, what do you need? Do we need to add menus again for fuel? No need, no need, no need, no need. Yeah, Madhav. Fortunately, unfortunately, yes. Okay, sir, which is the designs to focus this month? You can go with fitness, and you can go with relationship like grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, those things. You can go ahead with that. You can start working on that. Those works better. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What is the upsell and how do the same? I'll tell you, Raj. I'll tell you that. Just wait. We just started it, right? Yeah. Okay, how about the niche drop shipping? When are we going to start? It will take around next week. I'm going to start drop shipping. Can we start for Christmas? Yeah, this is the time you can start for Christmas. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's all for today, guys. Start working tomorrow. We have a session again. We have a session again tomorrow. Okay, and please be active on the Facebook group. I want you guys to be active on Facebook group. Just go ahead and put all your questions. Do not mind if it is a silly question or something like that. Okay, please share the FB link. Okay, I'm going to share you right away. Just go join that. Okay, that's the Facebook group, guys. Just go ahead and add that. Okay, please select what you need to complete the store. I'm going to tell you once again. Plus Christmas and Halloween designs as well as possible. Okay, you need Halloween designs. I'll get you done. I'll get the Halloween designs. Okay, I'll get you the Halloween designs and okay. Perfect to store meaning you need to have a logo. Make sure that you have a nice menu there, and if and the color matching colors, nice colors. Do not use very dark, vibrant colors. Go with white, black, blue, pink, or something like that. That works better. Okay, and what else you have? Update all your collections, and each and every collection. Make sure that you have at least 10 designs. Make it symmetric. Either other nahi make it symmetric. As soon as I see that, it should look like a branded store or something like that. That's a perfect store for me. That's perfect store for me. Okay, Bharat, just WhatsApp me. I'm going to give the link. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the session, guys. If you have any more doubts on the Facebook group, if you have any more doubts, I'll answer you there. People also can answer there, guys. Go ahead and ask your questions. I'll see you there. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for your blessings. I'm honored. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night. I'm going to share the recording in 15 or 20 minutes more. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.